Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the command palette and jumping straight to the JSON settings file so you can make the single decisive change. Once done, locate and open Preferences, Open Settings, JSON. This avoids UI toggles that are partial. Make a quick backup of settings. JSON by copying it to another location so you can revert. Now keep that file visible. You'll add and change specific keys to turn off auto-suggestion completely. Next, edit settings. JSON and insert the precise keys that control suggestions. Set editor. Quick suggestions to other, false, comments, false, strings, false, set editor. Suggest on trigger characters to false and set editor. Quick suggestions delay to 0. Also search within the file for any language overrides and remove or set those same keys to false. These per-language entries can silently re-enable suggestions. Finally, restart Visual Studio Code to make sure the new JSON settings take effect. Once relaunched, verify by typing normal text and trigger characters. Suggestions should no longer appear. If you still see completions, make sure to disable or reconfigure any third-party extension that provides IntelliSense. Extensions can override user settings. If needed, open the extensions view, disable suspect extensions, and retest. This single sequence is the only reliable method to fully disable auto-suggestion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.